Hey guys, thanks for coming to this video. So I am so excited. I got my Jaclyn Cosmetics highlights in the mail. I cannot wait to open them. So this is going to be me unboxing them, trying it on for you guys, and also a giveaway. I'm giving away 2 different products from this line. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to send them to you guys. You guys are going to love them. So if you want to see all about this Jaclyn Cosmetics holiday highlight collection, let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, I did not know what to wear for this video because I wanted to wear something sparkly and shiny to go along with the theme. The only thing I have that's shiny is this, it's like a jumpsuit thing, but it's sparkly, so I don't know if you guys can even see it, but I wanted to wear something sparkly for this video because these are like the sparkliest, is that a word? Sparkliest? Whatever. These are like the most blinding highlights I have ever seen. So I'm gonna get into it, start unboxing. So the first thing, I got the Jaclyn Cosmetics Mood Light Duo in the lightest shade. Dang, boxes. Okay. So here is the brush. It's like see-through on this end and just gorgeous silver glitter, but it doesn't feel glittery. It looks gorgeous. Oh, I just love it. The highlight, such stunning packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging, and this is gorgeous. So this powder is more of a kind of all over glow, or just kind of like, it's not a blinding highlight. This is going to be more of a kind of powder that you're going to put kind of all over. So you can probably barely even see that. So that looks gorgeous. I'm so excited. So if you didn't know about the Jaclyn highlight collection, there's 3 different formulas. So we have this, the Mood Light, which is kind of an all over powder. Like I said, they have 5 different shades of this. Then there is the Beaming Light, which I also got. I feel like I'm just rambling because I'm so excited to put this on my face. So here's the brush that goes with the Beaming Light. So the Beaming Light is a smaller, and this is a very concentrated, glowing, beaming spotlight. Here I am, you know, outer space, look at me, crazy highlight. So I cannot wait to test this. This is in the shade Extra, and this is the lightest shade in this. There's 5 shades of these also. Okay, that is gorgeous. So it's almost like a white silvery, but it's not chalky. I noticed a lot of the really, really light, almost white looking highlights can tend to be a little chalky. This one is just gorgeous. So I can't wait to put that on my face. And the third formula is an actual palette. She released 2 palettes, a lighter one and a darker one. I obviously got the lighter one because I am more fair. And I'm actually really dark for myself right now. I did tanning, so you can only imagine this is my normal shade, you guys. I'm pale. So this is the Flash palette. Okay. That is gorgeous. So pretty. It's so fancy. It's very like heavy. This mirror is gorgeous. And these are baked highlighters, and she said that this formula is not like a normal baked powder. It's a very like creamy baked powder. Let's check out the brush. Okay, so it's a thin fanned out kind of brush. Let me just swatch these. So there they are on my fingers. So that is what they look like. So pretty. So before I apply them on my face, let's talk about the giveaway a little bit. My original plan was to get 2 palettes for the giveaway, a light and a dark, with the brushes. So like the little palette kit. But the Flash palette, which is the one I have here, was sold out in like 3 minutes, and so I had it in my cart, and then when I went to check out, it was gone. And they actually didn't have this with the brush, the kit, on the website, which I thought was really weird because I was like, I knew they were gonna have it. So I ended up just getting the Flare palette, which is for deeper skin tones. So I originally placed an order, and I also am giving away the Beaming Light Duo, which is this little guy in extra also, and the little brush. So this is going in the giveaway, and then also this, but I have this unopened, obviously. So how I ended up getting this palette with the brush, I was looking on the site a couple minutes later, like 15 minutes later after I placed an order, and I saw that they had the palette and the brush, the bundle. So I was like, wait, it's back in stock? Can I buy this? And so I'm like my heart's pounding, I'm typing in my stuff, I'm typing in my credit card, I'm like, can I buy it? Can I buy it? Is this happening? And it let me buy it. So it was so weird. I don't know what happened, how they weren't on the website yet, and then they were, but so I got this. I'm sad I didn't get it to give away, but I do have the Beaming Light that is very gorgeous, very blinding. I will talk about the rules of the giveaway in just a few minutes, but first let's apply some of this gorgeous powder. All right, so first let's take the more loose powder. And I do already have highlight on. I didn't go crazy today, but you can never glow too much, right? So I don't know how much of this I'm gonna put on just because I don't know if I can really tell a difference. I'm kind of scared to do too much on my face right now because I need to film more videos. So let's move on to the palette. And I'm using the brush that goes with each thing. It's this one goes with this. I'm gonna go in with Iced. It's like a little more of a pinky gold. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that. Look at it. Like, look, that's not even the most blinding, you guys. I had to get my little favorite brush. It's the Royal Langnickel BX95 for my nose highlight. I'm just going to go into that same shade. Just right on the tip of my nose. I mean, do you guys see that? Okay, now for the beam, because I need more highlight. Don't we all? Flicking it off. You know when a highlight is just so good, you have no words. Like, where do we go from here? Where do we go? There's nowhere where this is it. This is like, we're done. I don't know what else to say about it. It's so gorgeous. Now let's talk about the giveaway rules and how to enter. So I will put up pictures. I'm giving away the Beam Duo, so the Beam powder in extra and the brush that comes with it, and then a Flare palette. So if you have deeper skin tones, go for the Flare palette. If you have lighter, go for the extra. So to enter, you need to 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel, 2, follow me on Instagram. It's Makeup by Callie M. And number 3, comment on this video down below. Tell me which one you would like to win and why. And also tell me your Instagram name so that I can message you on Instagram if you win and get your address to ship it to you. For extra entries, I did not do this last time. Extra entries, tag your friends on my Instagram posts. Any posts about this giveaway, tag as many people as you want. Each person you tag is an extra entry, so there's unlimited extra entries. I will pick a winner on Christmas Day. So that's 3 weeks. I wanted to give plenty of time for people to enter, and then I thought this would be a great, like a Christmas gift to you guys, a giveaway. So I'm so excited to send these to you guys because I'm in love. I know you're gonna be in love. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to keep talking about it, but like, I think I'm good. I think that's what I needed to say. I hope you guys enter this giveaway. I'm so excited. I'm just rambling now. All right, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and please enter the giveaway. I'm so excited to give that away to you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.